Any home baking fanatic will tell you all about their favorite cookware, and a good quality scone pan is pretty much indispensable if you want to turn out amazing scones and cornbread. So, what makes the best scone pans? The best scone pans have excellent heat retention and distribution to create the perfect scone crust. It should be durable and resilient, easy to clean, and must have a high-quality non-stick surface. Some scone pans can also be used for other types of cooking and baking.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best scone pan. So let's get started. Number 5. USA Bakeware Aluminized Steel Loaf Pan. USA Bakeware is another firm renowned for producing high-quality bakeware. They produce commercial-grade pans for the home kitchen, so you know you are getting a high-end product when you buy from this manufacturer. The aluminized steel body of this pan gives incredible heat distribution, strength, and durability. The body is coated with a patented Americoat surface, a form of silicone which means your baked goods are guaranteed not to stick. With a unique corrugated surface to allow air to circulate evenly, this loaf pan will make perfect scones every time. Number 4. Wilton Non-Stick Mini Loaf Pan. Wilton Bakeware comes highly recommended by many chefs and home bakers, for good reason. This bakeware manufacturer produces high-quality non-stick pans at a very reasonable price, and their products are renowned for their durability and ease of use. If you're looking for a scone pan that is also very versatile, then you can't go wrong with this one. As well as baking amazing scones, it will also turn out perfect bread, meatloaf, and quiches. The premium non-stick surface means your baked goods will pop right out of the pan. The heavyweight durable steel pan is warp resistant and will withstand everyday use. It distributes heat evenly, giving you a lovely crust on your baked goods. It will wipe clean easily after use and is also dishwasher safe. Number 3. Nordic Ware Scottish Scone Pan. A good compromise between cast iron and silicone is heavy-duty cast aluminum, like this high-quality version by Nordic Ware. With this pan you get the heat retention and distribution of a cast iron pan but with a durable non-stick surface. The Nordic Ware Scottish Scone and Cornbread Pan can be used in the oven, on your stovetop, or under the broiler. It makes 8 perfect triangular scones, and can also be used to make cornbread, polenta, and biscuits. This pan is not dishwasher safe, but it will wipe clean easily in warm soapy water. The manufacturers do warn that metal utensils must be kept away from the non-stick surface to keep it at its best. Number 2. Dia Silicone Scone Pan. Second place scone pan, we are going as far away from traditional as it is possible to get. This resilient and durable silicone scone pan is incredibly easy to use and will give you perfectly shaped triangular scones every time. The Dia Silicone 8-cavity scone pan is oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, and can also be used as a mold for crafts such as soap and candle making. The joy of using silicone is that nothing sticks to it, so you can wipe it clean easily in warm, soapy water. The manufacturers claim that this scone pan can be used up to 5,000 times. Number 1. Cast Iron Scone Pan by Commercial Chef. For our number 1 spot, we absolutely had to go with a cast iron pan, with round scone molds. This is a very traditional style of scone pan, which is guaranteed to produce amazing results. The cast iron base and sides of this pan are the perfect height and thickness to retain and distribute heat evenly, giving your scones the perfect light but crisp crust. It can also be used for making other desserts such as biscuits and muffins. This heavy-duty cast iron pan can be used on gas and ceramic stovetops, and also works on some induction stoves. It can also be used in the oven and has easy grab handles to lift and move it safely. That was our list of the top 5 best scone pan just for you.